about hurricanes.
Yay, hurricanes. Well, it is that season here in South Florida.
Right.
And here we are in July, and we've already had one.
Right, so we've already kind of dodged a bullet in South Florida, and but with hurricanes comes property damage, and people may have claims related to property damage, so we should probably really talk about that.
Sure, and we've handled quite a few of those in the past. Unfortunately, a lot of times when property damage occurs after a hurricane, or it could be any event, really. It could be a flood, it could be anything that happens to your home. Homeowners have insurance. And as we all know, insurance companies don't always do what they should do, and they don't always pay the homeowner the coverage that they've paid for. So in the event that happens and they're trying to lowball you and not cover what happens as a result of some event, we're here to help.
Yeah, the statute or bringing a claim against an insurance company typically provides for attorney's fees. So it's kind of the David versus Goliath thing where the government, state of Florida, has decided that plaintiffs should have their attorney fees paid for if they end up prevailing. So you don't have to come out of pocket for these type of claims. It ends up being wrapped into the legal claim. So it encourages people to hold insurance companies accountable when they've had property damage and they aren't being fairly treated.
But the hope is always that we make it through the hurricane season and that we come out unscathed.
True. So what kind of things do you recommend for people to do if they happen to suffer a hurricane damages to their house?
Well, one, it's probably good to get photographs of the property before a hurricane comes. All your personal property as well as kind of the condition of the premises, your roof, your ceilings, those type of things. So that you have it before and after photographs of it. Also, you might need to retain a kind of a public adjuster to do their own accounting who can serve as your advocate in the initial stages and have somebody document it on your behalf as opposed to the insurance company adjuster documenting things. What else?
No, I think that you covered what needs to be done. I mean, of course, you have to report any event to your insurance company immediately after, as soon as you can, as soon as practical. Of course, the first thing is to get yourself to safety, and after you get yourself to safety, the insurance company would be on my first 5 things to do.